Doing a service on a 1.4 TDCI Ford Fusion. Got oil and filter, air filter, cabin filter. Oil filter's there. And sump plug there. Just letting it warm up so it drains better. Get on with that. So this is 21mm sump plug. That's the 27mm. To get to the oil filter, you take this off. Just clips in. One clip there, and then a screw there. Just pull that out. Save you loads of time. Just get the new filter in. And just need to take this off, put the new one on. So just line that up with the hole. There we go. That's that in. Put this on. I'll get that tightened up. Right, that's sorted, so I'll put this back together. Alright, make sure your sump's back in, sump plug, and fill it up. Just take about 3 litres. Right. Make sure to just dispose of the old oil. Properly. Use all the cleaner stuff. Now you just want to check, make sure your levels are correct. Okay, do a bit of topping up. So I just keep repeating that at the engine run a bit afterwards. Then check your oil again and you should be good to go. Alright, now to change the air filter. Looks like there's just 3 T25 bit torque screws. 1, 2, 3. go. That looks clean. Not too bad. Oh wait. Oh yeah, that's pretty dirty actually. I'm gonna change that over. Here's a new one. Put that in. Put your cover back on. And screw it back down. There we go. Service done. Now I just need to do the cabin filter. So I found the cabin filter. It's on the passenger side. Take this paddle off. Probably a screw there. Mine didn't have one. And then 2 clips on the bottom there. Just pull that off. And then back here. So this here. There's 4 screws, T20 bit. Unscrew them. And take it off. And then get your cabin filter. Yeah. Well, that was definitely due a change. So that was the old one. Here's the new one. This one's, I think, like carbon filter, I think. So it's got a little bit of a downgrade, but it's definitely a lot cleaner than it. See how much dirt is in it. Right, arrows face this way. There we go. Then this back on. Screw that back on and good to go. And yeah, that's how you service a Ford Fusion.